With this session, we are going to discuss about double replacement reaction. As the words say, double replacements means the displacement of two elements in two compounds. So, whenever the double replacement reactions occur, the elements in two compounds allowed to replace each other to form two different combination of compounds. So here, like you can see in this reaction, like AB if you consider one compound and the CD you consider another one compound. So here when any compound form, so here we have a two kind of ion, the positive ion and the negative ion, like cation plus anion, which make get combined together and form one compound. So here this first one is considered the cation and second one is considered the anion. So this is allowed to make also one compound. Now, when double replacement reaction occur, so according to the word says double replacement, so the cation can replace the another one cation and come to their place and they allowed to switch their place, exchange their positions. Now, after the exchange their position, they allowed to make two different combination of compound. So here you can see that A and C get exchange their place and you will get a two different combination of compound. So afterwards, when AB gets react with the CD and they replace other, it's form CB plus AD. So this complete product which we'll get, that is have a complete different property as compared to the reactant part. Such kind of reactions are considered as double replacement reaction, in which the cation allowed to switch their place with the cation and the anion can switch their place with the cation. So if such kind of reaction in which if you allow the replacement of anions will occur, so the B can replace D and D can come to the place of B. So then what combination will get? The combination will become AD plus CB. So this kind of reaction is considered as double replacement reaction where the cation, both cations of both compounds can switch their place and both anion of both compound can switch their place and make a two different compound. Now I'll share with you some examples for the brief introduction about the double replacement reaction. So here the sodium hydroxide get react with the calcium bromide. You have two compounds here, the sodium hydroxide, which is represented by NaOH, and the calcium bromide, which is represented by CaBr2, in which the sodium and the calcium both are metal, both are cations, and the OH ion, hydroxide, and the bromide both are anion. So here we have two kind of the possibilities are there. The cation can replace by the cation, and the anion can replace by the anion. So here we'll show here that we are allowed to that complete cations allowed to get exchanged their place. So after the exchanging their place, that sodium get combined with the bromide and the calcium get combined with the hydroxide. So you will get a complete two different combination at the product side. It's allowed to form sodium bromide, which is represented by NaBr, and you get the calcium hydroxide which is represented by CaOH whole twice. So this is considered as double replacement reaction when two elements of two compounds get allowed to exchange their place. Now one more example I will share with you in which the sodium sulfide get react with the hydrochloric acid. Like sodium sulfide is represented by Na2OS and the hydrochloric acid is represented by HCl. Now here sodium and the hydrogens are cation and the sulfur and the chlorine it's anion. So here both condition can be applied. The sodium can replace hydrogen and the sulfur can replace the chlorine one. So after the such kind of the exchange will occur, you will get a two combination. Here you can see the sodiums come to the place of hydrogen and hydrogen get moved to the place of sodium. So you will get a combination. After that, the sodium when combined with the chlorine is allowed to form NaCl. It's called sodium chloride. And the hydrogen get combined with the sulfur and is allowed to form hydrogen sulfide, H2S. So where The cations allowed to get replaced, they change their place in the double replacement reaction when two compounds get react with each other, and even anion also can change their place when two compounds get react with each other and form a two different products. So such kind of reaction is considered as double replacement reaction. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.